Good Thursday morning, everyone. It's been a snowy night. That accumulating snow quickly winding down this morning as that area of low pressure starts to pull away. We'll see snow tapering to just some flurries and snow showers. We picked up in general about 2 to 4 inches of snow for most of the area. Here's some of the reports I've received in overnight with just over 3 inches in Scituate, about 3 in Providence, and right here at our studios in East Providence, West Warwick with about 2.5 inches of snow, and Barrington with a little over 2, New Bedford as well with about 2 inches of snow. You're commuting to work, going to be dealing with those flurries and those snow-covered roads, especially early on this morning, so take it slow. A lot of schools with a delayed start this morning. Our skies remaining mostly cloudy through the day. Accumulating snow expected after sunrise, though, and our temperatures will climb up into the lower 30s. Looking ahead to the next few days, I added a few flurries or snow showers into the coastline area for Friday morning. Doesn't look significant at all. And on Saturday, that system also going to be fairly minor. Some snow or rain showers possible during the day with a high near 40 degrees. Keeping my eye on maybe a more significant storm for late in the weekend, the late Sunday evening and night time frame into Monday morning. And I'll have more on that on Eyewitness News on WPRI 12 in Fox Providence today.